All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Cardano itself. Appreciate you guys for sticking around, showing so much support. I try my absolute best to give you guys these updates. So, continue supporting it. It goes a long, long way. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the overall markets, guys, still we're seeing quite a bit of red across the board. But at the same time, some coins are going back into the green. Let's give it a actually not even a refresh live. If we're looking at the last 1 hour, I think the market is picking up once again. You can see the market is turning into the green zone. Reason why, of course, Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of move towards the upside, currently sitting above 66,300 as of recording this update. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with our good old friend ADA. If you're looking at the last hour, Cardano is still in the red, down about 0.2%. The price is currently sitting at 41.7 cents, down 1.1% as mentioned, and also about 0.5% in BTC comparative. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So market cap is just shy of $15 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $400 million. And guys, I know, you don't even need to come in, comment at this point, because there's going to be some trolls that are going to come out and say, this is it, why is ADA not moving? It's just a failure, this and that. And you won't believe it, how much, negative comments and negative tone there is regarding Cardano. And what a lot of people don't I think a lot of people are completely ignoring a lot of projects right now. There's ADA, there's VeChain, and there's so many more projects, HBAR, that haven't done much right now. And people are kind of just losing their hope on it and chasing, the new kids on the block. If you are not diversifying your portfolio, and I'm going to remind this literally till I retire from crypto, if one project is the only project you're holding, and maybe obviously these haters that are talking might not have ADA because maybe they just jumped the ship. But if that's the only one that you have, you are losing big time. You're leaving so much gains off the table. And that's just the reality that people need to accept. But I really want to kind of go over this. And if you do follow me on, a regular basis, you guys know that this is something that I emphasize so much. Shout out to Chris, of course. Chris posted this on Twitter, and I really wanted to kind of, talk about this and have a discussion regarding this. So you could see a very, very good point. Nearly 72%. Okay, now hear me out, guys. Nearly 72% of Cardano is currently staked. People don't buy ADA to make a quick profit. They really believe in Cardano. And you could see this. Cardano is, it is the biggest staked, coin right now. You could see this for yourself. Numbers don't lie. And who are staking this? Now, you guys are probably scratching your head right now. Like, who would stake a coin that hasn't done anything, right? That's probably what you're wondering right now. People that have done their due diligence, people that have done their research, that understand how this market works, what is risk, and are able to accept that. And guess what? Proof of stake consensus, what does that mean? Your funds are working for you. It's giving you, so if you were like used to the traditional stock market, you're pretty much getting dividends for, staking your ADA. And the people that are in it for the long haul, it's a win-win situation for them. Why? Because they are earning rewards and they can compound those rewards over time. And then when it comes to times where we even are right now, or maybe back in March, we saw the price of ADA at 80 cents, right? Now, what I want you guys to realize is, to all the trolls that come and talk negative about ADA and just forget about it, what I want you guys to do is just be realistic for once. Let's just take a look at it from this point of view. We know for a fact the amount of interest for Cardano around this range, these, I think 1.5 year, was obviously very low. But a lot of accumulation was going on from, people that have done due diligence and research, and they were staking it. And a lot of viewers on my channel stake their ADA, because guess what? Imagine picking it up at 22 cents. And if you think there were not people, buying it there, you would want to, rethink that. Imagine, accumulating here, staking it, and then just pulling out, let's say, you earn an X amount of coins that you kind of keep track on a different spreadsheet. And let's say those are the coins that you actually want to lock out profits, maybe just to buy yourself something nice or something like that, right? Those coins, they piled up over time. And then let's say someone was like, within this range, when people were accumulating. And again, someone probably set their targets, profit target. Maybe, when the price of ADA re-enters the 78.6 for the first time, maybe that's where I kind of take out the staking rewards. Imagine someone took out the staking rewards around here. And again, believe it or not, there's a lot of people that did this. How do I know this? Because a lot of my viewers like Ada that stake it and that told me their stories. And imagine these people pulling out their rewards that they have gained over the years. Over the year and a half of bear market when no one was really touching it. That's free money that they have got. And even right now, people are doing the same thing. And I've been quite clear. You guys know we keep it 100% realistic on this channel. Now let's just put this, very basic stuff. If this much, 71.9% out of, roughly around the 35.6 billion coins that are in circulation out there, if about literally 72% of these coins cannot be purchased because people are staking it, what happens to the price when hype comes into play? When that crazy amount of hype comes into play. Let's not forget, ADA is still ranked as the top 11th project in the cryptocurrency market ranks. A lot of people tend to forget that fact. Once you see a huge amount of demand and, more news, positive news coming out, and as far as the project is concerned, of course, people can come and make the statement. And again, it's a very realistic statement to be making that, ADA is not doing anything. Maybe you want to do your research once again to see how many things ADA as a project is doing behind the scenes. Arguably some of the biggest news in ADA's project's history is coming out recently, and again, it's going completely under the rug. Reason why? There's a lot of other coins that are pumping up. Meme coin market is a way like it never was before. Let's face it, meme coin market is a market that wasn't treated the way it is like now, especially in this cycle. So a lot of different things, but believe me, there's a lot of people that are still accumulating ADA that believe in the vision. So right now, if you're looking at ADA right now, it could be one of the coins that is, obviously not the one that goes crazy in your portfolio. And again, I know a lot of people just are staking it right now and forgetting about it. They've done the due diligence research on it and are just staking their ADA right now, relaxed. And there are other coins who are making them gains, and they're reallocating it to their strong positions. So if that's the strategy that you have, great, but you don't only want to have one single project. I cannot stress this enough, but when you look at it from that point of view, guys, you kind of think differently. But let me know down below what you guys are doing right now. So of course, we did see ADA retest the 40-cent support just yesterday, when we did see Bitcoin drop down to 65K. And again, even though Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of move towards the upside as we're going to Wednesday morning, I still believe, a $64,000 retest wouldn't be a big shocker. So let's take it one step at a time, see if Bitcoin is able to clear out of this resistance. And yeah, let me know down below what you guys personally think. As far as ADA is concerned, obviously sitting at some very key resistance. It's facing some key resistance, but I do believe we'll be able to reclaim back above that 45 cents, quite fast. Shouldn't really be a big issue. Just pay very close attention to BTC. So let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys agree with this overall take? Do you guys completely disagree? Let me know in the comments. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.